In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted messages in Microsoft Teams. If you've ever accidentally deleted a message in Microsoft Teams, or you just can't find a conversation you know existed, this walkthrough will help you uncover that hidden chat history, step by step. We'll keep things simple, and I'll also explain what's actually happening behind the scenes, so you understand why each step matters. First, make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams and you're on the main screen where you can see your recent chats and Teams. At the top of the window, you'll see a search bar. This is your main tool for tracking down messages that seem to have disappeared. Click on the search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type something that's clearly related to the chat you're looking for. That could be the name of the person you were chatting with, the name of a group chat, or even a keyword from the conversation itself. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for Teams to find it. As you type, Teams will start showing suggestions, people, group chats, channels, and messages matching your search. Take a moment to review these results. Look for the specific chat or contact, had the messages you're trying to recover. When you see it, click on that chat to open the conversation window. Now, sometimes you open a chat and it looks empty or like parts of it are missing. That doesn't always mean the messages are gone forever. In many cases, they're simply hidden from your main view. To reveal them, look for an option that says Show Hidden Chat History. This option may appear within the chat window, usually near the top or embedded in the conversation area, depending on your version of Teams. Click on Show Hidden Chat History. When you do this, Teams will expand the view and load older or previously hidden messages associated with that chat. Give it a few moments if your internet connection is slow or if the conversation is very long. After it loads, scroll through the conversation to locate the messages you thought were deleted. Keep in mind that if a message was permanently removed according to your organization's retention policies, it may not be recoverable. However, in many everyday situations, especially when chats have been hidden or archived rather than fully deleted, this method will help you bring those messages back into view. And that's all you need to do. Use the search bar to find the chat,